How to turn off all the sensors on your Nothing phone with Android 15. So you'll need to go ahead and enable developer options before doing this, and let's get started. To enable sensors off or on, use the quick access like this here, and go into the main settings by tapping it one time. Once in the section, you want to go to the very bottom where it says About Phone, right down here. And as you enter here, you'll go right in this section. Tap on it one time. And now you're going to tap on this 7 times until you see you're now in developer options. I've already enabled mine, so you'll see that it's going to say no need, but you're going to tap here 7 times until it says you are in developer mode. Once it says that, you'll come out of here, and use the search, type in the words developer options. So as you start to type it in, you'll see there as a suggestion, so type that in, and you'll be taken to this right here. Once this is turned on, go down the list and you are looking for the part that has the quick settings, which is these right here. Quick settings, developer tiles. That's what you're looking for. Now that you're here, you'll see these different options, and one of them would be sensors off. Let's turn that on. And you want to keep developer options enabled for this to stay on or to work. Now you can also use the quick access to look for it. And if it's not there, it's going to be part of the toggles to add on. So look for the edit icon, which is this. And you'll look to the bottom section here and look for the sensors one. You can see it right here. So go ahead and tap on that one time. It's going to appear here, and then just simply come out of here. And now it's going to be part of your quick access. You'll see it right there. When you tap on it, it's going to tell you that it's on with that little highlight there in white. And in tapping on it once, it's going to turn it off. So this means that in an off state, your sensors are on. And to turn off the sensors, you'll have to make sure this toggle is turned on. That's how it works. And that's basically it for this guide. Like and sub.